Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device and credentials. Open the official bank app you installed, then tap Sign In. Enter your username and password, and when prompted, use the one-time code sent by SMS or email to verify your device. Once done, enable biometrics or a PIN to speed future access and reduce password reuse. Make sure notifications for the app are allowed so you receive security alerts and transaction messages in real time. After signing in, you set up core features. Link accounts or add a debit/credit card by scanning or entering numbers, then confirm microdeposits if required. Once linked, create payees and schedule one-time or recurring transfers. Use bill pay for utilities and save templates for repeat payments. You should also configure alerts for low balance, large transactions, and ATM withdrawals. This reduces mistakes and keeps you informed, so you can act quickly if something. To finish, confirm recent transactions and log out or let the app auto-lock after a brief idle period. If something goes wrong, first check your connection and retry. Then use the app's forgot password flow to reset credentials or restore access with the bank's recovery steps. If you suspect fraud, immediately freeze the card in-app and call support. Record times, amounts, and merchant names. Doing these final checks prevents unauthorized use and helps the bank resolve issues faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.